best scene.
How they decide how to do the thing. Like how they to teach children about extremely intrusive. So it's a soft kind of totalitarian. But it is a totalitarian society.
What's the matter?
It's gone. Where's the green tongue?
When you 80% of children start kindergarten.